The Proxxon Long Neck Angle Grinder, LHW-A, is the battery-powered version of the proven fine tool from the Proxxon Micromot system. In addition to a rapid charger and lithium-ion replaceable battery, the set includes a sanding disc of high-grade corundum, a fan sander, and a cutting disc. Thanks to the powerful lithium-ion battery, the cordless long neck angle grinder is ready for use anytime and anywhere. The rapid charging function ensures the lithium-ion battery is charged and ready for use within 1 hour. The high-quality 10.8 lithium-ion battery with its strong 2.6 ampere-hours is extremely powerful and is equipped with outstanding technological features, such as electronic cell protection and temperature monitoring to prevent overheating. The full-wave electronic speed control always provides a high torque, including lower speed ranges, and ensures the optimum machining speed for any material. The accessories from Proxxon's corded tools will also fit on the rest of our standard tools. And this way, you can continue to use any accessories you may have already. The advantages of cordless tools is clear wherever cables could damage sensitive work structures. Changing batteries also allows continuous work too. Importantly, the batteries are interchangeable with any other tool from the Proxxon cordless tool system. If you have another cordless tool as a complete set, the LHW-A, as well as the battery and the rapid charger, can also be purchased separately, saving duplication of cost. The cordless long neck angle grinder Proxxon LHW-A. Greatest power with mobile use. Proxxon. Tools with character.